Today we are going to talk about one prerequisite that you will need, which is the Ubuntu VirtualBox. If you already have a machine that is Ubuntu based and you are using Ubuntu as the operating system, then you can safely ignore this video. But as you know, many of our friends are using Windows. So for them to have this the Ubuntu VirtualBox, we are going to tell a couple of steps today. So just follow these steps and you'll get your Ubuntu VirtualBox, which we'll be using all along. So first, you can just go to Google and search for Oracle VirtualBox, and most likely you'll get the right link as the first one, which is the the virtualbox.org. Click that. You can see this nice icon or symbol here, so keep a note of that icon. So you land onto a page which will be the download page for you. So download Oracle VirtualBox, and on your desktop you should see this icon. And then once you have done the installation, etc., click that icon, which is this one. So I'm clicking it. I already set up a couple of virtual boxes, so you'll see a list of them once I start this. So what you see here is a couple of machines I already floated as virtual machines. All you need to do is click this new, which starts or launches your new virtual box. You want to select Linux, and you make sure you select Ubuntu 64-bit, not the 34-bit, 32-bit. If you don't see the 64-bit as an option, there are a couple of fixes. You can just Google it. You probably need to add some component or a patch. You can name your virtual box as whatever you want. We will call it Udemy course Ubuntu 16, and say next. I usually go with a slightly better setting, so at least 1028 or 4096, which is about 4 GB, which is good. And then I go with the second option here, create a virtual hard disk now. So it kind of reserves some space on your hard disk. See, and the minimal they are recommending is 8 GB. Let's stick to that, and I'll say create. Or you can probably go with the first option, do not add any virtual hard disk now. I'm selecting it now because this is just for the demo purpose. I'm going to delete this machine, or maybe let's go with what you want to do. And then there are a couple of options here. You can leave the default, but I think I usually pick this second one, virtual machine disk. And then you definitely want to select this dynamically allocated, so that it will consume the space as it grows and will not consume unnecessarily or reserve some empty disk. click next. And there you go. Now you want to pick up the image of the Ubuntu, so that's the other step you may have to. So again, you can Google and download the Ubuntu virtual image. Make sure you download the 64-bit. Oops. Make sure you download the one for VirtualBox, not the, or I think it's pretty much the same. Search the image as well. Yeah, here we go. So the link is virtualbox.org/wiki/linux_downloads. And since we want 16 and we want 64-bit, you can download this one. And then this will get you the image that you want to select on the VirtualBox. So this is the location of your hard disk. And now it has created your machine. You can see a normal start to start with. And this is where you pick up your image. So I have it here, which is whatever the folder you downloaded at. And now it's starting the virtual machine. So you'll get the exact same interface as Ubuntu. May take a little while. You can kill this small message. Okay, Ubuntu 16.04, that's what we want. I do get this error message, I don't know why. I just ignored it. There we go. can click install Ubuntu, and uh, I'm not going to go on the further details, but what you will eventually see is I can show you that. So I'm starting the other virtual machine which I created just to show what the end result is. It's booting up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There it is. I'll put my password. Oops. And that's it. You're logged into the Ubuntu box on Windows operating system. So that was the end result that we expected. You can see the bar on the left, and you can see a couple of useful applications that we are going to use down the line. The terminal is the most useful again. You will not see this initially. You'll have to go to the search box and type terminal, and then you probably want to hook it to the sidebar. And then I'll tell you a couple of tricks going down the line, like the most useful on the terminal is you can create multiple tabs and have multiple virtual machines on the same window. Oops. I think it's Control Shift E. We will figure it out. So you can start typing your Ubuntu commands. Who am I? BC is my username. Where am I? I'm in my home directory, etc., etc. So that's it, and thank you very much. Before we go, I'm going to probably show you what I promised I'll be throwing on and off. my daughter's paintings, and I think I got one here. It's a nice bullock cards without bullock. Thank you again, and bye.